this video, we're going to be taking a look at the origin microphone from a company known as Aston. Now, I have to give a big shout out to my buddy Matthew Gordon for sending this microphone my way. I greatly appreciate it. I had a lot of fun testing out this microphone to see what it was about. And in fact, the entire song you hear in this video was recorded solely with this Aston origin microphone. That being said, let's stop running our mouths and jump in.
See, I've been reaching high, trying to grab a star, but something told me that my reach was just way too low. And I've been trying for a long time, and finally made it. Now it got me like whoa, I like whoa, I like whoa, I like whoa. Now it got me like whoa, I like whoa, I like whoa.
Now, before we jump into the meat and potatoes of this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, once subscribed, be sure to click the bell icon next to it so you can be notified when I publish new videos. Wait just a second. Before I get started, I have to thank the company Novostella for sponsoring the lighting in this video. Feel free to check out more information down in the description. Inside the cardboard doors, you'll find an Aston microphone sticker, one Aston microphone pin, an owner's manual, and one Aston microphone unit. So in regards to my first impressions of this microphone, well, it's metal, it's steel, right? It's very different from anything in my current microphone catalog. Feels heavy duty. I hope it sounds good.
See, I done seen some highs, and I done felt some lows. But every time I try to bounce to my feet, it's like something hold me down and it won't let go. I'm pushing back and forth. Gotta stand to my feet right now, but the pressure got me down and I can't move around, so I reach for the stars and try to pull one down. See, I've been reaching high, trying to grab a star, but something told me that my reach was just way too low. And I've been trying for a long time, and finally made it. Now it got me like whoa, I like whoa, I like whoa, I like whoa. Now it got me like whoa, I like whoa, I like whoa, I like whoa. Now it got me like.
Having a closer look at the Aston origin microphone, you'll find an outside shell made of stainless steel. The condenser is surrounded by a built-in stainless steel mesh pop filter. On one side of the microphone, you have a 10 dB pad switch, and then on the other side, you'll find a high-pass filter switch. On the bottom, you have an XLR connector port and an integrated mounting ring for mounting this microphone directly to a stand. Now, typically when I'm in the market for a new microphone, one of the first things I look for outside of sound quality is build quality. I can tell you right up front, this Aston origin passes that category with flying colors. It's extremely heavy duty, but not overdone to the point where it's too heavy to work with. That being said, I don't care how well made a microphone is, if it doesn't sound good, you can't stay here. Once upon a time, a goose drunk wine. Then a turtle chewed tobacco on a streetcar line, but the car line broke and the monkey got choked. Then they all went to heaven in a little rowboat. That's an interesting test. Once upon a time, a goose drunk wine. Then a turtle chewed tobacco on a streetcar line, but the car line broke and the monkey got choked. Then they all went to heaven in a little rowboat. Once upon a time, a goose drunk wine. Then a turtle chewed tobacco on a streetcar line, but the car line broke and the monkey got choked. Then they all went to heaven in a little rowboat. I never felt like I really belonged in a box-type life, living all alone. Or trying to do what other people would do. Same life, same tone, same average song. So I made my choice and ran. Fell down again. Stood up and I stumbled around. Made a plan and became the man.
See, I've been reaching high, trying to grab a star, but something told me that my reach was just way too low. And I've been trying for a long time, and finally made it. Now it got me like whoa, I like whoa, I like whoa, I like whoa. Now it got me like whoa, I like whoa, I like whoa, I like whoa. Now it got me like
my likes and gripes. Let's just be honest, quick and easy here. There's a whole lot to like about this microphone, and my only gripe is to include a shock mount stand. I had a hard time finding something big enough in diameter to hold this thing. That sounded weird. If you enjoyed this video or my content in general, then please consider becoming a patron. I have just launched a Patreon page, and as a patron, you'll have access to exclusive content, including my music, behind-the-scenes footage, and personal vlogs that give you a peek into my personal life, and so much more. Also, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and feel free to share this video on your social network so someone else can benefit from it as well. Last but not least, if you're not subscribed to me, let's change that right now. I want you to become part of my family, so go ahead and click that subscribe button. Comment below and let me know your thoughts, questions, or concerns. I read them all, and that being said, I'll see you all in the next video. Sound you later.